Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now a lot of you keep asking me to do hauls and do makeup stuff and whatnot, and I got a reason to shop one more time. So you guys know me for quite some time. You know that I'm not that big of an online shopper. I do shop online, but I am very finicky when it comes to shopping online, and I don't know, it's something about shopping online that used to make me feel really, scared that what if I get tricked into buying something that's not original, or what if I pay more for something that doesn't cost as much. But I have overcome that phase as well. There are a couple of websites that I frequently shop from, and one out of those is innandnow.com. So basically, you guys know Sephora, we all love Sephora. We were so happy when it came to India, and innandnow actually is the only website that sells Sephora products exclusively in India online. You guys know me, I am a lazy person. Come to think of it, I have a lot of issues. I'm a lazy person. I don't trust websites online, and I don't know, I love makeup, but I always have this at the back of my head ki I'm spending so much money and going there, blah blah blah. But what if I tell you that I came across a website that makes sure that I sit at the comfort of my own house in my PJs, being my ugly self, buy makeup and also get cashback for it. I know. Sephora products with cashback is like amazing. So Cashcare is actually a website which gives you cashback on your purchases. So you get money for shopping, and that is the kind of world that I want to live in. Okay, so now before I jump into the haul, बहुत मुझे questions भी आते हैं, comments भी आते हैं कि आप high end makeup कहाँ से खरीदो, या how much money do you really need to have to buy all of this makeup, or do you have to be really rich to buy all of this makeup? Guys, chill out, relax. It's not that crazy. Of course, some things are costlier than the others, but you can always save up and buy stuff. So that's exactly what I do. Every time I want to buy a lot of makeup, or I want to buy something that's a little more fancy, I save up my money and then I purchase it once I have like quite a lot. So now, in this, if I tell you that आप purchase भी कर लो, आप सामान भी खरीद लो, and आपको 35% cashback मिले उस पे. I mean, innandnow पे अभी already 50 to 60% आपको discount मिल रहा है. मैं बोल रही हूँ कि उस discount के बाद आपको cashback भी मिलता है 35%. I mean, सोच के देखो, I spent X and X amount and I got a 35% out of it. And if you go to Sephora, or if you know the brand, then you know that 35% is quite a lot. So yeah, छोटा सा context देना था मुझे haul शुरू करने से पहले. And now that we're through with it, let's start. Okay, so these are the things that I've got. And guys, size पे मत जाओ. ऐसे मत सोचो कि मेरे हाथ में आ गया तो कुछ cost नहीं किया था. This did cost me quite a lot. I'm glad I got some cash back. So okay, let me take you through the products one by one. The first one is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. Now this is from Benefit. This is how I get eyebrows in general. My eyebrows barely exist. They're super uneven. This one is shorter than this one. So a product like this actually works really well. Next up, I got the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Now, ठीक है, मैंने बहुत सालों से इसके insane reviews सुने हुए. Everyone raves about this product, and rightfully so. I actually really like this foundation. I've already tried it. मैं सारी पैकेजिंग खोल चुकी हूँ, फाड़ चुकी हूँ, because I am patient, I'm like that. But this is a great product. It is definitely expensive, but it's a really good product, and it's more like an investment product because it lasts you for quite some time, and it is expensive, but it will do you great. Okay, next up is the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. So this is a product that I have heard so much about. I mean, everybody raves about this product, and you know me, I'm more like a pen wala liner person. I'm not a gel liner person, but I do love the effect that a gel liner has. I'm also trying to get some crazy looks on board, so I think this will be a good product to play around with. Okay, next up I have two lip stains from Sephora. Okay, I think you know it, I'm obsessed with my new lipsticks and I'm obsessed with reds, but I think it was time for me to just, expand my own horizons by a bit. So मैंने एक pink ले लिया, एक brown ले लिया, which is basically the same, just थोड़े से different shades. So I have a nice pink cream lip stain and I have a nice brown cream lip stain. I haven't tried these products again. I was very excited when I saw them, and let me know if you guys want to see a review. Okay, so the last thing is like what I kept, especially after movie. Like this is the roller lash mascara. Now, if you guys watch Jeffree Star, which I hope you do, you know what mascara this is. He has been absolutely obsessed about it, and I was just obsessed looking at the reviews, to be very honest. So mascara is also something that I really love. I think that it elevates your look completely. So this is a purchase that I have been looking forward to for a really long time, and now I have it. So yeah, and I think ho gaya yaar. This was it for the haul. So this was the haul, and you can see the total right here. Now, how do I get that 35% cash back on this total? It's honestly super simple. I'm gonna just show you what I did, and I basically recorded that मेरे phone से, and that's what we're gonna play right here where you can see it clearly. It's super simple. All that you need to do is go to the Cash Karoga website and create a free account to log in. Once you're there, oh, one more thing before I forget. So there's a special link in my description box below, and if you sign up on Cash Karo using that, you get 25 rupees cash in your Cash Karo account directly for nothing, for just signing up actually. So that's just a little gift from my side to you guys. Once you've logged into your free account, all you have to do is search for nnnow.com. Now, nnnow, because I shop from nnnow, so that's what I'm talking about right now, but they do have a lot of different websites that you can shop from. So you search for nnnow, and then you see this orange button. Click on that and it will directly take you to the nnnow website, and उसके बाद you just have to shop like you normally do. So आपने literally कुछ नहीं किया, आपने login किया, आपने एक orange button press किया और आप directly website पे आ गए, and that is done. Because आप Cash Karo से आए हो, so the website will remember. So a lot of times it happens when you're looking at like cashbacks or discounts, you have to put coupon codes and whatnot. There is nothing of that sort here. Because you've come from Cash Karo, the website remembers, don't worry guys. So just shop na normal karo. So once you're done shopping, you just go back to your Cash Karo wala account, and there you can see तुम्हारा जो भी कैशबैक तुम्हें मिल गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने 5,000 का प्रोडक्ट खरीदा और मान लो मेरी मैथ कर रही है, मान लो मुझे 1,000 रुपये वापस मिले हैं, ठीक है. सो वो 1,000 रुपये मैं एक्चुअली डायरेक्टली अपने बैंक अकाउंट में डाल सकती हूँ, एंड इट्स दैट सिंपल. सो आपका शॉपिंग वाला पार्ट डन हो गया. अब आपको कैश करो अकाउंट पे वापस आना है, एंड देयर यू कैन सी योर पेंडिंग कैशबैक. सो इस पेंडिंग को कंफर्म कैशबैक होने में मैक्सिमम 60 डेज लगते हैं. Once that is done, you can actually withdraw that amount. So, minimum amount आपका 250 रुपये होना चाहिए. 250 bucks needs to be your confirmed cashback, and after that you can withdraw your money. Now, again, this is the best part. This is real money. This is not any coupon. This is not any discount code that you'll get for your next purchase. It is real money. That means you can actually withdraw it and put it in your bank. So imagine, I spent 11,000 rupees, 11,000 something rupees, and I got a cashback of 3,900 something rupees, which is amazing. Which is pretty much buying this foundation for free. That was it for this video, guys. I hope you understood it. I hope I made my point. It's something that I found very recently, I'll be very honest, and I have been enjoying it ever since. Imagine, you know, shopping and getting money back for shopping and not stepping out of your house. How amazing is that? So all of those links are in my description box below. You can check that out, and if you have more queries, you can always ask me those in the comment section below. And yes, I will not stretch this closing any further, so I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.